guys, look what I woke up to. Tata and the kids in the kitchen. What you making? What you making?
I will make a keen biscuit.
Wow. Oh.
And I'm going to do that decorate just like this that's on Liberty.
Okay.
À New York.
Okay.
T'es sûr?
Oui.
Ok.
Ça, le petit poisson qui va dans l'eau. Non, là, tu sais où c'est New York?
Ok.
Non.
Je sais pas où c'est New York, mais je sais où c'est Nice.
Ouais.
Tiens,
C'est
regarde.
ici même.
Jules, lève tes manches. Lève tes manches, Tyler, jusqu'en haut du coude. Jusqu'en haut du coude.
Mais ça va, mais en même temps,
The next one too.
elle redescend.
Ok. On trempe dedans, d'accord, comme ça. Et hop, on appuie fort, on bouge. Regarde. Et quand on va bouger, hop. Ok. Et ensuite, hop, regarde. Non, mais Jules.
Tyler, pay attention.
Hop, fais comme ça.
Look what Tata gonna let you do.
Regarde,
Put it on the
attention.
tray.
Hop. Allez. Et ensuite on met. Attends, regarde, celui-là il est cassé. Faut y aller doucement parce que la pâte elle est fraîche. D'accord? Regarde. Tu y vas, regarde. Ce que tu fais, c'est que tu prends comme ça. Regarde, hop. Et tu appuies. Comme ça, il casse pas. Ok? Regarde, Tata, elle vous tient la plaque.
I'm making a
Allez.
biscuit.
Tiens, regarde. Toi, tu donnes à Tata. Regarde. Mets-le ici. Déjà, retourne-le. Regarde, il y a une partie qui coupe.
J'ai une
Et il
idée,
y a une
maman.
partie qui coupe pas.
J'ai une idée. En fait, on va mettre.
Là, c'est la partie qui coupe. Regarde, c'est la partie qui est finie. Trempe-le dans la farine et mets-le dessus.
J'ai une idée. On fait les
Go put it,
poissons,
put it on it
les
now.
étoiles, les avions et ensuite les bateaux. C'est une
Press
bonne
it,
idée pour
press
faire
it
une
strong.
idée.
Et fais bouger. Regarde.
Shake it now.
Vas-y.
Voila.
Et mets dedans. Là. Pose-le. Voilà. Et
Là,
maintenant, t'appuies.
ici, là c'est la
Parfait.
Bravo.
Pour pas les
Allez.
manger.
Un bateau. Non, pas le bateau.
Le bateau, Tyler.
C'est le petit voilier. Tu sais comme il y a sur la mer, ici chez
Ah
toi.
oui. Moi je connais.
Come put that one. Let me go get your sister because she's
Par contre, il faut pas les
crying.
coller. Sinon, ils vont se coller à la
Press it strong.
Appuie. Alors, attends. Oui, ce côté. Hop. Allez, vas-y.
Strong, strong, Ty.
Allez, bouge. Voilà. Allez, tiens.
You guys, my sister-in-law is a baker. She have a bakery. You guys can go follow her on Instagram at Make Me a Cake.
Allez, vas-y. Allez, encore.
Maintenant le
Avion ou bateau?
So
Avion ou
this is
bateau?
the norm for her.
Passer à la douche, hein, après, hein.
Et moi, je vais passer à la douche.
Do the fish now,
Tu vas
Ty.
changer. Hop. Voilà. Allez, vas-y. Par contre, ouais, c'est bon. Vas-y.
Press strong, Ty. Strong.
Allez. Appuie et bouge. Voilà. Allez, tiens. Ah, regarde. Le poisson, il est parti.
Maman ici.
C'est pas grave.
Ici maman.
C'est pas grave. C'est pareil, ils vont être tous cuits
Ty,
pareil.
you having
Ils vont être
fun?
tous cuits pareil.
You having fun, Ty?
Pour pas les mélanger.
Ty, you having fun?
Pour pas les mélanger.
Allez. Voilà.
Oh!
Qui c'est
Who is
ça?
that?
Oh.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Coucou tata. Maman doudou. Ça va? Allez, hop, tiens, donne.
You come to look at brother.
Oh, il dit que tu t'as star. Il dit que tu t'as star.
Hein? Ouais.
Il pas fait ça.
Tiens, vas-y, là. Regarde, t'as la place.
You sure you have Tyler? No, you know you have it on the wrong side.
Là.
It's on this
Regarde.
side.
Allez, vas-y, coupe. Doucement, doucement.
Yes, put it now.
Tiens. Oh.
Press strong. Shake it now. Shake it.
Voilà.
Ah.
Tiens, hop, on met ça. Allez, vas-y. Parfait. Impeccable. Attends, regarde, je vais vous remettre la pâte comme il faut.
J'en ai vu que quand tu sais où il y a le virage là pour aller chauffer.
Li, 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 li.
Tyler, pousse-toi, c'est chaud.
The front of the wings. It's full of the wings.
Sucré, hein.
They're
D'accord?
making
Tata
the
va te montrer.
Statue de la
thing
liberté.
to decorate it.
Yeah. Blanc avec ciel bleu, ça fait du bleu.
Oui. Allez. Maintenant, c'est le moment le plus rigolo pour toi. Je suis pas sûre que ce soit le moment le plus rigolo pour maman. Allez, viens, on va se mettre sur la table, comme ça tu vas t'asseoir.
Sinon,
Midi, hein. Et puis après, il y aura tout même pour mettre sur les sablés, regarde. Hop, allez. Ça, regarde, assis-toi correctement. Hop,
moi je vais demander que
tout au milieu.
One more.
Juste one.
One.
Allez, on commence par les étoiles, c'est le plus simple à décorer. Ok? Après, tu feras les statues de liberté. Regarde, Tata, elle te montre. Hop, tu vois, on mélange.
Oui.
Et après, hop,
Regarde. Look, Ty, look.
regarde. Hop, tu mets dessus.
Tout partout.
Et ensuite, tout partout. Mais il faut pas en mettre de trop, tu vois, là, déjà, il y en a trop. Hop, tu vois? Et ensuite, hop, comme si tu faisais un coloriage à l'école.
Oh oui, tu as raison.
Ok?
Comme si je faisais un coloriage.
Ok? Regarde. Hop. Tata, on va en faire avec toi. D'accord?
Ok.
Ok?
Ok.
Et ensuite, hop. Hop. Une petite bille dessus.
Marshmallow.
Voilà, des marshmallows si tu veux. Allez.
No, don't eat anymore. Put it on.
Tiens, prends la cuillère à ta soeur si tu veux. Ce sera plus simple.
Oh oui, tu as raison. Mais ça, c'est de la cuillère de Sarah.
Oui, mais
Oui,
c'est pas
ça
grave,
va.
ce sera plus simple.
Ok.
Allez, tiens. Et regarde, hop, on va les mettre là. Comme ça, ils vont sécher. Ok? Tiens, tes tours de la liberté là.
Yes! Yes!
Comme un fou.
Allez, go. No, c'est beaucoup. That's too much. Okay, go now. That's okay to get messy, but you need it on the back of the spoon.
Oh.
On the back of the spoon, like that.
Oh.
Come here, hold it. Your hand gonna get messy, but that's okay. Yes.
C'est le plus compliqué.
Bonjour.
Oh, Toto.
C'est
Le sourire toujours. Ah, ça, c'était pas ici, ça.
cute, ça.
C'était là, ça a mis ça.
Oui.
La statue de la
Ouvre
liberté.
les autres. Oui. C'est ça, hein? Go, go, go.
C'est beaucoup.
That's okay.
Non, il est dans la chambre. Ton fils, il dort?
Non.
Ah, qu'est-ce que ce matin?
Ah, mais comme d'habitude.
Donc j'ai puni. Mais c'est bon.
Oui, de bon.
You're a mess. Continue, allez.
Tu me ferais pas un peu de la pâtée là? Un peu. Chouïa. Regarde. Prends plutôt comme ça. Regarde. Comme ça, un petit peu. Et regarde.
Oh, il y en a.
Oh, tu vas être obligé de le mettre dans ta bouche. Oh, c'est dommage. Tu vas être obligé de manger du sucre. Regarde. Hop. Juste comme ça, regarde. Tu l'étales comme ça.
Look, Ty, look.
Regarde.
Banane.
Look what Tata doing.
Regarde, hop.
Maman.
Tu veux que Tata le fasse avec toi?
Put it in your mouth. Taste it. It's sugar. Taste it.
Ah,
Taste it. The marshmallow going finish because you're putting too much on one.
Yeah, I only put the marshmallow.
Yeah, but they're going to finish. Alright, Sarah, fine. Let's go. Ready? Oh, we. Okay. Come, let's go sleep. Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is Sunday and we are here. I'm tired as hell. All sight, but sleep won't come because Sarah is up. The fandom is leaving today, going back home. Tyler. Ty! You guys hear Tyler? He's here acting a fool. He's doing Lego with his uncle. He woke up this morning and he baked biscuits with his auntie.
Yeah.
He baked biscuits and he had so much fun. You had fun baking biscuits?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3,
And now I'm here
and I'm going to
preparing
eat
lunch.
only the one with watermelon.
Okay. I'm here making lunch for the family because they're gonna leave after lunch. So I'm just whipping up some festival and chicken, and then we're just gonna chill before they leave. So yeah, we're just here. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys along today. Girl eat off her broccoli that I made her. Broccoli, zucchini and spinach was in this one and she ate it off, and she ate her fruits after. It's a good amount too, big girl. And she drank some water. I didn't show you guys, Tyler finished product of his biscuits this morning. There goes his finished ones. So cute. And the ones that didn't decorate was these. So the fam bam had lunch. I made ackee and saltfish and chicken and festival. Everybody have lunch and they're all packing now to go. So I'm just cleaning up right now. Oh, I'm tired. You guys, we are just coming on to end today's vlog. to end this vlog that you guys are watching. It's the next day, but we're just ending it right now. How was it having your brother here?
That was a good weekend.
Yeah,
That was good.
enjoy his
Always
company.
good when we are. Oh yeah, when we have family, friends. We always have some good times. Especially when it's short like this, we really enjoy
Oh
it.
yeah, because when it's long, I'm exhausted.
Yeah, so it's
Too many activities.
We did things, but in the same times we take our times. We didn't rush. Whatever we didn't do, we didn't do. So yeah, that was cool. That was cool. So
I must say I like the relationship between you and your brother.
he can come back. He can come
He's
back.
always welcome. I really like the relationship between you guys. I like how you guys joke with each other. And I remember I think it was Thursday night, the two of you alone was in the living room, and I'm like, okay, I'm not going out there. I'm giving them the one-on-one brother time. I like that. I have a special bond with my brother, so I like that you have a special bond with your brother. Anyway, you guys, Tyler had fun baking those biscuits, and he had fun with his uncle. Tyler is a people person. He's a family guy, and he gets attached to family members so easily, and of course he missed them when they left. Anyway, he's off to bed. Sarah is also off to bed, and I'm working.
Yeah, I'm soon off to bed.
And baby's going to bed because I see him getting the pillows together and stuff. So, and I hear him saying he have niggeritis. When you eat and you want to sleep, niggeritis.
Tiredness.
Yam too much.
On top of
This
tired.
morning I couldn't wake up. Oh my
That sounds
gosh, man. I was exhausted, so I decided that hey, I'm gonna lay down in bed and I'm not going to get out until my body says or Sarah says otherwise. So she and I juggled in the bed this morning until about 12 o'clock.
Every night when I hear Sarah crying and I get up and take her and give it to you, and I say, damn, I go back to sleep and you is just about to start, and I say, I have so much respect for you. Yeah, it's a teamwork, but it's easier to be at work than to be with
Anyway, you guys, just give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up with us, and please go ahead and get your merchandise if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell if you haven't, and if you still don't get your vlogs every day Monday to Friday, just go to our channel. Our video is there, I promise. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys